do this, girl. Yeah.
Nice present.
This close now.
What is it?
It's a butterfly.
That's amazing.
Can we just turn it around so I can see what this is?
And let us not forget that your butterflies came out of the chrysalis today on your birthday.
Ooh.
Oh, that's, you're opening them in a random order. That won't make sense to you.
The first one is okay.
It's actually a case for something. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying, Jubilee?
No, that's.
Jubilee grapes. Winnie, you need to be in the video. Hi. Daddy, Daddy.
I wonder what this is going to come with.
Biggest birthday ever. So you can put bugs in that, but it also has, what are those? Pet shops. We just put pet shops in it to make it easy to wrap. You don't have to keep them in there.
You can put all kinds of bugs in there.
It's a bug box.
It slides like this. It slides, and you put bugs in, and you close up.
Grace. Baby Grace. Hey. Baby Grace. Oh, Grace. What's that?
What? Is that like a lemonade something?
It's got
What do you think?
Awesome sauce.
And you know what that purse thing you opened is? It's the case to put it in so it doesn't get scratched up.
Yeah, you put it in here.
It'll be fun. It has games, learning games on it.
Like it's an educational iPod thing.
Oh, and that's a game to play on it.
Games to play on here. I see what I mean. It's like a DS iPod thing. This is.
It's an emo game.
I'm going to try this out. She plays it.
Don't get used to this. We just felt bad that we don't usually get you much. And you have everything hand-me-down. Well, I saw it at a garage sale, okay? Okay, just push it on. Push it on. That's okay. Go to the next thing. Quick, quick, quick. Keep going.
Oh, you're running out of film?
No, I just don't want it to be the forever video. I wanted to give it to Day Day, and he might be like, okay, okay. Speed it up. Or maybe not.
That's our
Probably not.
Bullet.
I'll probably have a chin. Blinking.
That's it. Bullet.
Ow.
Ooh, bug book.
Scary.
From my girl who loves bugs. You don't like it? It's supposed to have really good pictures.
Bugs.
That bug could eat you.
A grasshopper.
There's another book under there.
Sorry, it's just June. Keep on standing up.
What's that?
It's better.
You like that picture? Hold it up. Test what's your face? Which kid are you?
It's
Ooh, more garage sale finds. Yay.
Barbie.
Yeah.
Look at her dress.
Barbie's in modest clothes.
I like her dress. Huh?
Why did me say that?
Yes. I like your dress. It's not every day that you get used shoes for your birthday. Oh, good. I thought you would.
This is from Daddy.
This one?
Some people wear a cross necklace, but you're going to wear a
What?
I don't know. Let's see. I'm just trying to torture Debbie. What is it?
Oh my gosh, it's a Minecraft necklace. Tessa, look, it's Minecraft.
It's
I
a,
know.
it's a diamond from Minecraft.
Isn't that cool?
She looks a little freaked out.
It's cute.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna love this, Tessa. I just know it.
You know what that is?
Dad, volleyball.
Right, it's a activity area for all your roly polies.
Hold on, Andrew.
Hold it up so Day can see it. Wait, he wants to see. Yes, all those bugs she collects.
I can show him this one because I put it immediately.
I bet you know who that's from the bag.
Ooh. Yes. Winnie, look.
Yeah, that's from her. Hence the animal print.
Oh, and the paper thing that she will pull out soon is a
You
joke.
can't play
Is it a jerk?
No, it's a joke.
Joke.
Ladybug pencil. Nice.
Ooh, pretty.
Okay.
Oh no.
No, look at the other side. Look at the other side.
I'm pausing this.
Tessa, look at the other side.
We'll do this later.
Why?
Don't fuss up her birthday. Hey,
What do
we
you
have gifts
mean?
from Grandma.
Have pink and red.
Fine. You came for your special one?
Put it on. See how it looks. Don't break it. Careful. Alright, that's good. Yeah, you gotta close it. Gotta close it. The mistake every kid makes.
Yeah, close it up before you put the lid on. Okay? And when you put it on, only put out about this much at a time or else it'll break.
Dad's lipstick.
I know all our lipstick. Watch your mom.
Oh, I can. Look.
What is that? Oh.
Candy.
Oh. Thank you, Sissy, for the high fructose corn
It's
syrup.
from Blue. It's
She
from
was going to eat it, so she saved it for her sister. That's love.
I can't eat it with braces.
Oh. That's not love. That's utilitarian. I'll eat it one more. Here, and then
I
Grandma.
would have thrown it away.
What? You're going to throw it away? What about your father? I'm just joking, Rainy.
Oh, knock it off, kid. Ooh, yes. Pretties for your hair. Come here.
And then from Grandma, we'll just see this wrapper now.
She got you eggs. You're allergic to eggs. Hey, but Grandma and Grandpa Hoffman will love those.
Sure.
Hey, Tessa, pull up the shirt so I can see it.
Is it a dress? It's a dress. And shoes. Are those ballerina shoes or just shoes? Nope, just shoes. They're pretty.
Nice.
Look at the camera and say, thanks, Grandma.
Tessa,
Oh, there's more.
Look at Mom's camera and say, thanks,
Hey,
Grandma.
can you say thanks, Grandma?
tension is rising.
Yes. This is almost a 10-minute video.
Is it really?
9 minutes and 40 seconds.
What is it?
Uncle Wiggly game.
Ooh. Happy 5th birthday, Tessa. We love you.